Hi friends, I would like to share some tips as to how to skillfully praise and thank people. Do you remember the incidents wherein you had put in lot of efforts to organize a particular function or a sporting event during your college days or in a service organization where you have volunteered yourself? Do you also remember how you felt when a kind word or compliment was given to you for doing such great things? Remember how your whole day was brightened up by that few kind words or compliments? Remember how long the good feeling lasted? As friends, a word of praise given to us have always brightened our day and have inspired us to put in good work and more work at every event. As you felt delighted, well, others too will react just as you did. So, say kind and sweet things that people want to listen. They will always love you for saying kind words, and you will feel good for having said those words. Friends, be very generous with your praise. Look for somebody and something to praise, and then do it without missing this lovely opportunity of praising someone. At the same time, the praise must be very sincere. If it isn't sincere, don't give it. Also, the praise, the act or the job accomplished, not the person. Praising the act avoids embarrassment and confusion. It avoids charges of favoritism and creates an incentive for more such future acts. For example, say, Saish, your work for the last month has truly been excellent. Rather than saying, Saish, you are a good man. That's regarding skills. Now, coming to thanking people. It is not enough for you to feel grateful and appreciative to people. You should personally show that gratitude and appreciation to the people that deserve it. This is because it is human nature for people like you and me and to respond to those who show them gratitude and appreciation. If you are grateful to people and if you let those people know, always they will give you their best efforts the next time. However, it is an art of saying thank you. When you say thank you, mean it. People will know when you are genuinely appreciative. They also know when you are not sincere. Say it clearly and distinctly. When thanking people, just don't murmur or whisper the words. Say thanks from your heart and be glad you said it. Look at the people you thank. It means so much when you look at the people you thank. Definitely, anybody worth thanking is worth looking at. Thank people by name. Very important. Personalize your thanks by names. It makes a lot of difference to say thank you, Mr. ABC, instead of just thank you. Friends, the happiness formula is to get into the habit of saying daily one kind thing to at least 3 different people. Then See how you feel for having done so. When you see the happiness, gratitude, and pleasure you bring to others by doing this, you will feel much better. It has been the best healing effect. Remember to practice these two skills of praising and thanking others, which are your greatest assets all through your life. Remember, there is more joy in giving than in receiving. Just try it once and you will continue doing so. This is Saish Lavande signing off for now. Thank you very much.